What is the most important thing someone has ever done for you? When I turned 15, I switched schools and moved across the country. At my old school, I struggled to fit in and was constantly bullied, which made me incredibly shy and socially awkward. So when I started at my new school, I was terrified of interacting with others and ended up sitting alone by my locker during lunch. But then, out of the blue, this super outgoing and popular girl approached me with a group of her friends and asked why I was eating alone. She insisted that I join them, and that simple act of kindness meant the world to me. A few days later, I casually mentioned that my 16th birthday was coming up, and she immediately took charge and organized a birthday dinner for me at a local restaurant. It was such a special celebration, with pink balloons and thoughtful gifts from her and her friends. As time went on, she noticed that I rode my bike to school every day and worried about my safety. Without hesitation, she and her mom offered to pick me up and drop me off at home, ensuring I didn't have to deal with the traffic alone. We became inseparable, and to this day she remains my best friend. She's an incredible mom of 3 now, and I can confidently say that our friendship is the most important one in my life.